just to be with you is having the best day of my life. The door, I'm home at last. I'm talking through and through, and you handed me that towel, and all I see is you. And even if my house falls down now, I wouldn't have a thing, because you're near me. And I want to thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Oh, just to be with you is having the best day of my life. I want to thank you for giving me the best day of my life. Just to be with you is having the best day of my life. Nangyari, nainit ng biscuit. Heh. Litsugas ko. Wala naman siya ng kung ano noon. Don't dream it's over. Grabe naman po. Bye na po. Mag-ilis din ako. Sige, ipi-play it kaya. Ipi-play it mamaya. Or, this, ano matawag dyan. Basta ipi-play kita. Okay, nasa listahan ka na, Sir AP. Salamat ha sa pagbisita. Thank you so much. Don't speak, I know just what you're saying. Salamat sa pagtambay, Sir AP. God bless. Sige, magtamsak din ako sa mo, ilis mo. Just to be, ito, hindi ko to alam ba? Insensitive. Magtatamsak ako sa Sir AP, sa ilis. Magtamsak na lang ako kay Ma'am Eli. I wouldn't have a chance. Ay, nag-message ako pa ilan. Hindi ko na-open na. Bahala na. Wala na. Nalimtang ka rin katara ba? Thank you, Sir AP. Idol Sir B. Thank you so much. Ma'am LGB. Idol Lupin. Ma'am Ella. Sir Likop. Sir Tambay. Ma'am Lucia. How do you cool your lips after a summer's kiss? How do you rid your the sweets after the body wins? How do you turn your eyes from the romantic glare? How do you block the sound sights? You know anywhere. Oh, I really should have known by the time you drove me home. By the vagueness in your eyes, your casual advice, by the chill in your embrace, the expression of your face. Maybe you might have some advice to give on how to be insensitive. Mawala niya, okay, again, kaya mag-antaon ka ng otro. Highlights lang, highlights.